How to unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock someone you blocked on your Facebook Messenger app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up the Messenger app. Then once you're in the app, you have to tap on your profile in the top left corner. And then here scroll down and tap on accounts settings. Then here in account settings, in privacy, tap on blocking. And here you will see all of the people you have blocked. So to unblock, tap on unblock. And again tap on unblock. And that person is now unblocked. So this is how you can unblock someone on your Facebook Messenger app. Thanks for watching.